In this video, we will cover how you manage users in Field Tracker Pro. From the Track to Years page, Settings, and Manage Users. The license that you are signed up for, whether it's the free trial or the 5 users or 20 users, will show at the top how many users have been set up based on your user license. In this case, we have 2 out of 5. We have an administrator and we have a viewer. Now let's say we wanted to add a new user to the account. We would hit the Add New User button and we would enter the information that has a star. That's required. Anything without a red star is optional. The first thing is the user group. You'll notice there's different options. Now the administrator, that is typically the farm manager, the owner, the person that signed up for Field Tracker Pro. Now they have full access to the app and all functions. Now a manager, they can read records, create records and delete records. An editor can read records and create records, but they can't delete records. And then a viewer only has the ability to view existing records. They can't delete or create new records. So then you would go through, once you've decided the user group, and you would fill in the information, first name, last name, username, and then you would assign them a temporary password, and the email address, as well as the province or state that they live in, as well as the country. Now those are required because they have the star. Anything without it, as mentioned, is not required. Once all the information is entered, you would email the account and login details to that user. And what it'll do is it'll automatically send the information to them for them to then log into the app. Now you can update existing records by hitting the Edit button. You can also delete users. What I've done here is created one for my crop advisor. I'm going to go ahead and edit that record, because now it's the end of the season and he doesn't need to be in there anymore. So all I need to do is set his account to disabled, and now he no longer has access to the app. And scroll to the bottom, save, and he's now disabled from accessing the app. I'm going to navigate back to Settings, back to Years. This concludes user management within Field Tracker Pro.